country in 2016. Makes him the 13th. First up are the girl and boy field event athletes of the year, and then we'll move over to the last two awards of the day. As in 2014, she was the girls 15-16 division athlete, girls track events. This athlete indoors was the association champion at 55 meters. Outdoors, she won 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters at the New York Championships, then won the same triple at the Region 1 Championships. She then 100, establishing a new association record of 63.85 seconds. The Hershey National Championships in Pennsylvania, she had a very impressive triple as she won the 100 meters, 200 meters, and the 400 meters. The winner of the 2016 overall Girls Youth Athlete of the Year for track events is Kcaysha King. Okay, our final award of the day. Boys track. Those award winners, so you don't want to break your plaques, we have boxes here.